Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Today in this segment I am going to share with you about a mobile application. Okay, and this mobile application is launched by our central government recently. The name of this application is Matsya Setu app, and in this segment I will give you detailed information about this application. So let's start. So this app is launched by our Honorable Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Sri Giriraj Singh, and the app was developed by ICAR and CIFA. What is the full form of ICAR? This is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Okay, and CIFA stands for Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, and this is situated in Bhubaneswar. And the funding support is given by NFDB. What is NFDB? This is National Fisheries Development Board, and it is situated in Hyderabad. Okay, so what is the objective to launch this application? First is the online course aims to disseminate the latest freshwater technology, freshwater aquaculture technology to the aqua farmers of the country. Second is better management practice like maintaining the soil and water quality, feeding and health management in aquaculture will help them to enhance the productivity and increase their turnover or increase their income. So here we will see that some key points about aquaculture and the about this application Matsya Setu app. Okay, so what is aquaculture? Aquaculture broadly refers to the cultivation or breeding or harvesting of aquatic organism, or basically in short you can say that it is the farming in water. The second is India is second major producer of fish through aquaculture in the world after China. Okay, and third is it has focused to grow out culture of breeds with high commercial value such as catfish, various types of carp, scampi, mural ornamental fish and pearl farming, etc. Here the last but not the least, it will help to facilitate or simplify the ease of doing business. Okay, and India's rank in ease of doing business 63rd among 190 countries. So here we have to know that what does the ease of doing business ranking indicate? It indicates that how fast someone can start a business in a country, and it will also depend on the political stability of the country. Okay, you can see here some various types of ornamental fish, and this is catfish. Here we will come to know about some other related initiative about aquaculture. Okay, and which aims to enhance the productivity and increase the income of farmers. The first is Safari scheme, and this scheme is based on United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization's technical guideline on aquaculture certificate. Okay, or in short you can say that it is a certification scheme on aquaculture product. Next is Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. So Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is an initiative launched by central government of India. And what is the objective, or what was the objective to launch this program? The objective was to establish comprehensive framework and reduce the infrastructural gap in fisheries sector. And this scheme is launched. The scheme was launched by our Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay. Next is establishment of Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund 2018-2019. Okay, so government approved at the 7,522 crore in Fisheries and Aquaculture Infrastructure Development Fund, and it creates employment opportunities over 9.4 lakh crore fishermen. Okay, and next is Blue Revolution. This Blue Revolution is also known as Neel Kranti, and this mission launched in India in about during the 7th 5-year plan 1985-1990. The main objective was to develop and promote the fisheries and double the farmers' income. Okay, this was the objective to launch Blue Revolution. And so that's it guys. Thank you for watching.